You went out and got a drone, and yes, they are very capable, but then you have to spend a million hours on YouTube forums, Facebook groups, trying to learn just to find out the information is all over the place. Barely anybody is a full-time professional. I had to deal with this 10 years ago when I started my career, and after filming, directing, and editing all over the world, I moved on to drones to find the exact same issues. So I thought, okay, let's just help people and see where it goes, and holy crap, this thing did a lot better than I thought it would. And now it's all organized from start to finish in a top-to-bottom online course. These are the steps I'm using for clients today to get insane quality footage on any drone, and this is what I really wish I had when I started out. If you're a beginner who wants to save light years, or an intermediate who wants to see what I've been doing differently to get the right kinds of clients, as well as marketing and business, which nobody seems to be talking about, this is perfect for you. It's now over 320 minutes of video with 80 minutes focused on business and marketing that I've just added. You'll learn cinematography to get the movie look, custom flight and gimbal settings I use to get way smoother flight and camera movement, shooting flat and color grading that I use to get dramatic color you can control, editing 4K footage on an old PC at lightning speed, including my proxy preset that you can download and use, equipment you do need versus what's a waste of money with comparisons, how to find clients, approach cold ones and not be annoying about it, clients that will pay you more. As far as editing, it is a top to bottom course. All my career shortcuts and real world pro touches are included in that, and some of the updates that I've added, my 4K footage to download and edit alongside me as you learn by the lessons, my editor's toolkit of effects, presets, titles, and transitions in a project so you can just drag and drop your footage, how to make a hyperlapse with any DJI drone over 4K that's far beyond DJI's app-made 1080p hyperlapse, access to the private Facebook for a community to post, get feedback, and discuss without having to deal with grumpy guys online, discounts on other courses in the Drone Launch Academy school, we add new techniques and downloads as the industry changes, and you get a 30-day oh crap I changed my mind guarantee. No, there's no fine print, you just get your money back if you don't like it. This is the fastest and most fun you're going to have learning this stuff. No more someday. You become the expert at drone editing and cinematography today.